Okay, here's Betsy. She's all back together. Got the 4-quart radiator in her. Had to put a little adapter on that side. Get her all fitted in. Hadn't put the shroud on yet. I got a shroud for her. Transmission's in. We fixing to take her on test drive. She's in there. As you can see, I done detailed the drive shaft and she looks pretty spiffy up under there. Everything's back together. Did a little detailing. I spray painted hit the wire brush on some of the parts. Touched up the rear end a little bit. Put a little paint on her. She's getting a little rusty. We're gonna take her on test drive. Got to have a test drive. She got plenty of fluid. I pulled her into the front yard. Already took her down the road once. We just gonna see what we got going here. Goes in the gear smooth. Turn all that noise off. Yeah, there goes my favorite man. I don't need him no more. Got all my parts in. Somebody's parked in my front yard over there. I wonder what they want. First gear, second gear hits about 20. Third gear hits about 30. Alright, already hit second at 10 miles an hour. Third at 24. Hit overdrive at 35. That ain't right. Lockup's in at 45. Everything seems good. Everybody get out of my way. It's second hard. It's third kind of hard. Don't went into overdrive. Yeah. Lockup converter went in. I smell something though. It's a little 6-cylinder. Second at 10. Third. Fourth. Lock up. Everything seems to be working fine. We're gonna take her home and go check the fluid.